Hi everyone, welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I'll be cooking imitation shark fin soup. Prior to the 1960s, shark fin soup was made using very expensive real shark fin. This soup is considered the epitome of opulence. Nowadays, the more ethical and affordable substitute using imitation shark fin results in an equally delicious and flavorful soup. My version includes shredded chicken meat, scallops, fish maw, mushroom, etc. This really makes the flavor of this imitation shark fin soup super authentic and amazingly flavorful. Come along with me to see how this imitation shark fin soup is prepared. Here I have 50 grams of dried scallops. You can get them from the dry goods section of the supermarket. They impart a concentrated umami flavor to the soup. This is dried fried fish maw, which is the swim bladder of a fish. It is deep fried until crispy. It has a slightly gelatinous, chewy texture, and it readily absorbs flavors from other ingredients in the soup. It has a subtle sea flavor. This is dried shredded shiitake mushrooms bought from the supermarket, already nicely shredded. So we need to hydrate all these dry goods. Just pour hot water into them, over them. And as for the the fish maw, it has a little bit of fishy smell, so I have added a few pieces of ginger and spring onions to the hot water so that it can lessen this fishy smell. So turn the fish maw around so that every part of it can absorb a little bit of the hot water. So soak all these ingredients for 30 minutes. So while waiting for all the ingredients to get nicely hydrated, we will blanch our chicken. So this chicken is blanched to remove the impurities and excess blood, to create a cleaner taste and to prevent the formation of scum in our soup. So once it comes to a boil like this, so you can see the scums on top. So you will carefully remove this blanched chicken. And at this point, you can actually just run some tap water over it to remove surface scums that are still attached to the chicken. So let's put this aside. In a big pot, put 2 liters of chicken broth. You can use the store-bought or you can make your own. So then also add 1.5 liters of water. So put the chicken back, and we want to cook the chicken for 20 minutes until it is totally cooked. So cover and then let it boil for 20 minutes. So 20 minutes later, our chicken is already cooked. You can take it out and put it aside to cool. Okay, this is the imitation shark fin. We have to pour hot water over it, to clean it. So I have 400 grams of imitation shark fin. So now is the time for us to shred all the ingredients, starting with the scallops. My scallops are very small, so you just need to apply a little bit of pressure on it and it will just fall apart into shreds. If yours are the bigger version, then you need to just peel them to separate and make them into shreds. As for the chicken, you also shred it into fine shreds to ensure a smoother and delicate textured soup. So you do not want big chunks of chicken, so shred it very finely. This is a very delicate dish. Also shred this the imitation crab meat. So this is the fish maw that has been soaking for 30 minutes. So press out the water and then we need to cut it. So it has softened and expanded, and so we cut it into rings about about half cm in thickness. Use a sharp knife or a pair of scissors. Before adding to the soup, you may want to rinse it again to remove any surface impurities or residual oil. Okay, so bring the broth to a boil. Add all the ingredients like the shredded chicken, shredded mushroom, shredded scallops, the shredded imitation crab meat, fish maw. This is the frozen crab meat, which I have thawed. So mix everything together. Boil the soup for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes later, we can then add the sauces, namely the soya sauce, the dark soya sauce. For the dark soya sauce, you just add a little bit at a time so that you can gauge the darkness of the soup that you want. Also add 2 teaspoons of chicken powder. I have 3 eggs down here, just beat them lightly. We are going to form egg ribbons. Okay, then swirl the eggs over the soup, lower the heat, then wait for about a couple of seconds before you stir it to form the egg ribbons. Then we want to thicken our soup. I'm using tapioca starch slurry. Remember to stir the slurry because the tapioca flour tends to gather at the bottom. So another tip is that add this tapioca starch slurry a little bit at a time, stir and bring to boil so that you can gauge the consistency of the soup at every stage. So try not to add all at once, it might be too thick. So just add a little bit, stir, bring to boil, add a little bit more, stir and bring to boil. Looks like mine can be a little bit thicker. Yeah, I like it to be a little bit thicker. There you go. So then stir. This is the imitation shark fin. So add about 2/3 of it. The other 1/3 we use as topping while serving. So I add the imitation shark fin last to avoid overcooking it. Overcooked imitation shark fin will become soft and mushy, losing the desired bite and texture that it has when cooked properly. So then we gauge the consistency and mix everything well. And the final addition are our aromatics like the sesame seed oil, pepper, and Shaoxing wine. If you do not have Shaoxing wine, you can also add Tiao Chiew. It's also very fragrant. So stir everything together. Okay, this is a time to check the final check for consistency and also to taste the soup. Do you need to add more soya sauce, salt, etc.? Yep. Now, a shark fin soup is usually served piping hot in a big bowl as a starter or as an appetizer. This soup is commonly served at special occasions like weddings and banquets. The imitation shark fin soup has a snappy, gelatinous, and chewy texture. The chicken fish maw scallops impart a rich umami flavor to the soup. It tastes so delicious, it is not an expensive dish, and it is very easy to prepare. Normally, the waitress will scoop the soup into individual serving bowls. Then you can add a teaspoon of Chinese black sweet rice vinegar to elevate the taste. You can also add a few drops of sesame oil for fragrance and a dash of ground white pepper to impart a little heat to the soup. Remember to stir well before enjoying. Talking about enjoying, someone has to do the job. So yummy!